When you've seen one lord, you've seen them all.
There he is.
Oh, Lord.
Welcome to Anglesey Castle.
Bonjour, my dirty darlings.
He is now head of this household.
Hello. 1 lump or 2, dear. What?
Sir, you are complete.
Your bizarre situation is causing tongues to wag.
It is not done.
Lord Paget, you're disgustingly wealthy.
How disgusting.
And if I spent it all, you couldn't if you tried.
Who wouldn't want to live in a dream, sir? Trouble with dreams is we have to wake up from them.
What is your issue with me?
What is it?
Oscar Wilde rots in Reading jail for similar theatrical debauchery. He did this to himself. It was bad behavior.
Bad behavior.
You are in danger of losing the entire Paget fortune.
Enchanté. I would look gorgeous in that.
Henry Paget!
Always be true to yourself.
Be yourself. Everyone else is taken.
Fabulous.
Madfabulous.